Hey everybody, this is DARPA, and again, thank you for coming to my channel and watching. In today's video, we're going to talk about TubeBuddy, and if you're thinking about a future with YouTube, this is a must-have tool, and you're going to see one of the best tutorials you're ever going to see about TubeBuddy. Check this out.
Hey Alexa, give me a synonym for beginner, novices. Let's see if that increases the peg cycle a little bit. Oh! Home run, Biot! Home run right there. This is almost like a freaking video game, man. Newbies, which is a millennial term which isn't used too often, but you want to stay trendy when you're developing your channel and you're uploading videos. You kind of want to get in the in crowd. And biatch, I just turned 59 today. I was going to say it. I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. Okay. Yeah, so, I should turn my hat around. Be like, more like younger, I guess. I don't know. Does this look? I still look OG? Maybe I need a scarf. Alright. Yeah, 59 today. Yeah. Alright, so this is all for your little 20-year-olds out there. I'm gonna use it. So what do? I copy it. This is all from TubeBuddy, ladies and gentlemen. All from TubeBuddy. So let's put this down there. And let's see here. What are we doing? Which one's this one? Start a YouTube channel. Yeah, this is it. Okay. So let's take out this guy right there. Yes, 494. We're there, baby. We're there. So I got to guess that because of this tool, my videos will rank higher as a result of just changing a couple of words around and making sure that needle goes where it needs to go, and that's all the way to the right. And it takes time to practice. And I've been doing it for over 2 decades, so I kind of know what to do real fast. So if you're stuck a little bit, you just have fun with it. Don't get frustrated, don't get anxious, just have fun with it. Put different words in there, see how it comes out, and if it looks good, then you just go ahead and put it in your key rankers box there, and then you check it the next day and see it'll give you the ranking for it. So you just keep checking it, and then you keep checking YouTube for that particular title for that YouTube. The graph usually looks like this. You've got a month of work, you're working, and then 2 months go by, you're uploading. 3 months go by, you're uploading, seeing maybe 30 to 40 subs. This is where most people give up, right around here. That's where they give up, okay? But the guy who commits, who goes all in, who doubles down, who goes in basically on blind faith, he keeps going. And you'll see the 4th month, you'll start to see some increase. And then the 5th month, you'll start to see some increase. Then the 6th month, you'll start to see some increase. And this right here is about where you get excited, because you're really starting to see momentum right here. And then around 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months, and all you're doing is you're connecting the dots. So obviously you're not going to see anything here, you're not going to get excited, but all of a sudden when you see your graph goes up here, you get excited. Alright, so basically it looks like this. This is your growth chart on YouTube. This being growth and subs, and this being time. The only thing you have consistent in this is one thing. You got to keep uploading. That's all you got to do. That's all you have to do is keep uploading, keep doing videos, keep doing live streams, keep doing editing, keep doing uploading, and keep following me, because if you want to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year or more, and you want to have at least 100 videos or more, then you simply do what I do. And if you do what I do, you're going to get there. So this is a good opportunity for newbies out there that are looking to grow their channel to stay with me, because I'm going to be on Facebook every single day, and that's my goal. So every day I'm going to produce another video, and it's going to have a lot to do with your growth as well, because if you stay up with me, as Tony Robbins said, if you want the same results of very successful people, you simply copy that, and you can expect the same results. So just do what successful people do. Do what YouTubers do that know how to grow the channel, know how to get subscribers, know how to sell affiliate links from their descriptions. You know, this is what they do. So if you copy that, if you follow along with that, then you're going to get there if you really want it. Okay? So let's go back to TubeBuddy, which is a tool. So for this particular video, what I like about it is if you go up to the title of the video right here, and you put that in this section right here, which I did. It's right here. TubeBuddy will give you recommended alternative tags, and all you have to do is click on this little plus sign right here if that's what you want to do. So not only does it give you alternative tags, it tells you what ranking those tags are if you were to submit that into your list of tags that you've already done. You can see here, this one right here tags at a rank of about 24. So I don't like that. So I'm going to get rid of that. And this is for optimizations. Let's go ahead and get rid of that 24. Let's get rid of this 24. Let's get rid of this 24. Let's get rid of that one. So we're going to get rid of a few of these 24s. And let's go in here into the suggested tags. And let's see if we can pick up some 3s. You see that? Here's a 3 right here. So we're going to add that to our list, and it gives you a check mark, and it's right here. So we know that comes in on a ranking scale of 3, and we know that we've already used it because it has a check mark right there. Let's see, here's a number 2. Check this out. That's good. I think I'll take that one. Now, I actually checked it this morning, and with a lot of my key phrases for search engine optimization, I actually came in at the top 5. So I don't need to improve too much on what's already here. And that's right there. That's the Keyword Explorer. I use that quite a lot, actually. So let's go ahead and click on that. So right away, see, for some of you guys, I may have saved you 40 bucks a month or 100 bucks a month or whatever ungodly amounts of money they're charging, but a lot of people are actually charge you for this service, and TubeBuddy has it for free, and I never understood that. So you know, hopefully I'll save some of you guys some money here. But if you were to go to the Keyword Explorer and you were to put in, let's say, you start a YouTube channel. Alright, so it gives you literally all kinds of suggestions, and I like this one with the 2020s. You see that? These are the little secrets that nobody tells you online, because they don't want you to be too far up the ranks. They don't want you to be too far ahead of them, because then all they're doing is feeding the competition. But you know what? It doesn't matter. We're all gonna do good. So, but if you have this little 2020 in there, you can see very clearly that that's something that I would use a lot for my tags and phrases. So so we're not interested in the PS4 gaming. It's not our niche. How to start a YouTube channel for beginners. That would be something. Let's go ahead and let's just click on that for a minute, and let me show you how this tool works. So right away, it shows you that it has a poor rating. So this is technically not a good search phrase for your niche, okay, based on the title of your upload. It has search volume is fair. It's not very good. It's okay. The competition, which means it's weighted, that means there's a lot of people vying for that how to start a YouTube channel for beginners. There's a lot of people that would use that search phrase, and there's probably 100 videos that talks about that. The optimization strength is excellent. The reason why it's optimized excellent is because there's a lot of variance there. You could put a lot of keyword catchphrases. For instance, I'm going to show you a trick right now where the competition is extremely high. It ranks very poor on the Richter scale as far as that phrase. The search volume is okay, but let me show you this. I'm going to show you something, a little trick here. How about this? How about instead of how to start, and if you got Alexa, this is where Alexa becomes your secretary. You just simply ask Alexa, what are some synonyms for start? Hey Alexa, give me a synonym for start. Alright, so she gave me, you can't hear it, but she gave me the word create. How to create a YouTube channel. Now watch what happens. You see that pin? It goes up a little bit, doesn't it? Okay? So you're getting to the right, you're getting to that sweet spot where they say in golf. You're getting to that sweet spot. You want to be somewhere right about here in order to use that phrase. Alright, so this is all for your little 20-year-olds out there. Newbies, that's the word you guys use a lot, isn't it? Newbies, alright? So how do you spell newbies? N-E-W-B-I-E-S? Watch that Richter scale go up, baby. Watch that Richter scale go up, baby. Oh, oh man. Hello. Very good. Very good. Very good. I'm going to use it. I like it. I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it. So what do? I copy it. This is all from TubeBuddy, ladies and gentlemen. All from TubeBuddy. So I got to guess that because of this tool, my videos will rank higher as a result of just changing a couple of words around and making sure that needle goes where it needs to go, and that's all the way to the right. We want to be somewhat unique and yet still along the same niche of what we're trying to accomplish, which is basically teach people about YouTube, how to rank, how to upload, how to optimize, how to do SEO, and really have them have fun with it. You know, I know it sounds weird, especially if you're a beginner. You know, how can all this be fun? Well, you have to look at it as almost like a game. So you challenge yourself every day, making your videos better, editing them better, making sure that templates are involved, making sure that your keywords are in place, making sure they're ranked properly, and then test it, test it, test it, test it, test it. In the meantime, keep uploading your videos and don't be afraid of it. In a year, you connect the dots, you see where you're at, and if you follow me, if you subscribe, if you look at my Facebook, you're going to see a lot of good information every single day. So I'll give you guys a challenge. Stay up with me. Keep up with me. I'm going to see if you can. Let's check out playlist. This particular feature, though, if I were to use it, is the fact that you could actually edit your playlist and actually put them in different orders. So if I wanted this one, for instance, I wanted to move it up here, or move it over here, or put this over here, or change them around a little bit, you can certainly do that. So let's see here. This is my playlist on basically how to upload, and edit, and properly optimize a video for YouTube. So it's a playlist. It's a whole series. So it starts with how to rank with the second is how to rank #1 on YouTube with thumbnails. Now this is a good one. Gives you a little preview down there at the corner. Let's see, and then here it says YouTube SEO, rank your video #1 on YouTube. And then how about this, rank #1 on YouTube using Filmora. This is the editing software. And by the way, if you're just coming in, all the links are in the description. Alright, so you can go ahead and if you subscribe to my channel, or if you go to my Facebook, you're going to be able to access these videos. And they're basically tutorials as part of the playlist that focuses on taking a video and ranking it #1. So you can actually move these around your playlist. You can bring this one #1 or whatever. It really doesn't matter, because if you subscribe to the channel and you download the playlist, you're going to have access to all of these. So This is how to start a YouTube channel in the year 2020. I may want to put this one up here, you see, as part of my playlist. This one, I might want this one to be number 1. How to start a channel. You know, that makes sense, doesn't it? How to upload a video can be number 2. See that? And then how to rank that video, and then how to do it with thumbnails. I would probably put this number 3, because that's part of the process. Because actually, yeah, that's part of the process. And then how to rank it, then how to rank number 1. That's always good. And then Filmora. So I would probably put editing number 2, because first you're gonna do a YouTube channel. You're gonna edit your videos. You're gonna do your thumbnails after that. Then you're gonna upload it, and you got to know how to do that by way of optimization. Then you want to rank your entire channel and your videos very high on YouTube. So there's a video there that shows you how to do that, and then it shows you how to rank number 1 on YouTube. So that's what this one is right here. So alright, so that takes care of playlist. You can click on my description underneath this video, and it's going to give you the free links to every single tool I use, including Filmora. It's got SEO products, and they're all free, so I'm not making a dime on these. It's got the free upload for TubeBuddy, which is what the tool that we're using right now.
I want to thank you everybody for joining me today. I hope you had fun. I'm going to cook up some of these steaks here about my little beach house, and I'm going to go ahead and wish you all a good day. Now, if you want to subscribe to my channel, I encourage you to do that, because you're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn a lot about YouTube and how to upload and how to rank and all that good stuff. And so if you have any questions, join my Facebook. Go ahead and comment, like, bell, you know what to do. In the meantime, this is DARPA wishing you happy YouTube. Smells good.